Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw money from arrived homes, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw money from arrived homes, start by logging into your arrived homes account. Access your dashboard, where you can view your investment details. Locate the withdraw option on the dashboard's menu. Click on the withdraw button to initiate the process. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions for identity verification if required. Once verified, you'll be directed to the withdrawal request form. Select the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance. Choose the withdrawal method that suits you best, such as bank transfer or another payment option. Carefully review any fees associated with your chosen withdrawal method. Ensure that all details are correct, including the withdrawal amount and selected method. Submit your withdrawal request once you have double-checked the information. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Check your email for any updates or further instructions regarding your withdrawal. Monitor your account for the arrival of your funds. Keep in mind that processing times may vary based on the chosen withdrawal method. Contact customer support if you experience any issues or delays during the withdrawal process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.